Hello? It's DMV Test Buddy again. In some situations on the road, it's not enough to just know the rules of the road, but it's also important to remember the conditions under which they work. Like in this situation. Let's try to see how quickly you can solve this problem. So, look closely at the screen. In which direction can you proceed at the next intersection? A. Straight ahead only, in direction B. B. In any direction. C. In direction B and make a U-turn. I give you 10 seconds to answer this question. So, let's figure it out. In order to solve this problem, you should know not only the rule, but also the conditions under which it applies. In the picture, we see an unregulated intersection, after which there is a sign straight ahead only. Thus, one could assume that at the next intersection we are obliged to go straight. But here is the catch. The sign at the beginning of the road is valid until the nearest intersection, maneuvers at which are not limited by this sign. Thus, we can go in any direction. So, admit it, who of you answered quickly and correctly? Let's discuss the situation in the comments.